It looked easy, but where are the seagulls? One. Where's the other seagull? Where's the other one? Yeah. Wow. Oh, what happened? First this, and then this. What happened to Curious George? He fell in the water? Did he fall in the water? Huh? Where is George? The sailors looked and looked. At last they saw him struggling in the water and almost all tired out. Where's George? Where's George, Luca? Where is he? Yes, there he is in the water, and they're all looking for him. Let's see what happens. Man overboard, the sailors cried as they threw him a life belt. George caught it and held on. At last he was safe on board. Yay! See, they got him out of the water? See, George is safe now? Good. After that, George was more careful to be a good hunter until at last the long trip was over. George said goodbye to the kind sailors, and he and the man with the yellow hat walked off the cliff onto the shore and on into the city to the man's house. Where's George? Where's George? Here's George walking down the plank. And where's the man with the yellow hat?